I think my curiosity with sports cars and racing cars started when I was about 15 or 16, living very close to Brands Hatch. I could actually hear on a Saturday and a Sunday the noise which sounded like a swarm of angry bees in the distance, and of course I was hooked. I did take things apart and try and put them back together again when I was a kid. I think that's why I like architecture, because you can figure out how a building works in the finished product. Joining McLaren, when I did, was an incredible opportunity to be part of developing cars from a clean sheet of paper. It's a chance of a lifetime. The relationship between the studio and the engineering office is much closer than it is in other car companies. There's definitely a common goal in terms of the philosophy of the form and the function of the cars, and there's definitely a lot of trust and close collaboration. Trying to set out to do something that you don't know how to do yet is actually really rewarding and exciting. As long as you can promote that kind of free-thinking atmosphere, then great things will happen if you've got good people, which we do have fantastic people. When approaching a new car design, it starts with what is the car all about. It needs to have an identity. When we set about doing the 720, the ambition was very much to shock and surprise people. Better dynamics, better performance, more refinement, more luxury feel. It's very much a step up. Most McLarens have 3 settings for comfort, sport and track. Each gives rise to differences in calibration and setup. The sound of the engine changes as you go from comfort through sport and track. It's about drama, it's about theatre, but it's also about engagement and fun. Sometimes it's easier to drive fast at night than it is during the day. So being able to drive behind really good headlights is a great thing in a supercar. The principles embodied in aerodynamics and lightweight and advanced materials are the very bedrock of what we do in McLaren Automotive. There's DNA in the company that comes from racing that is the same whether it's a race car or a road car.